Hello friends, this is Priyanka, your English trainer. Welcome to the Daily English Vocabulary Dose 41.
Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to watch more videos.
So these are our today's vocabulary words. In the end, I'll ask a question. Give me answer of that question in comment box. The first word that I have for you is hoax. Hoax means a mischievous trick played on somebody for a joke. Its Hindi meaning is shararat bhara mazak. Now look at its sentence. The emergency call turned out to be a hoax. Its synonym is prank. Moving to the next word, grudge. Grudge means ill will. Its Hindi meaning is irsha. Now look at its sentence. She still has a grudge against him for the way he treated her in school. Its synonym is hatred. The next word that I have for you is dubious. Dubious means hesitating or doubting. Its Hindi meaning is sandehapurn. Now look at its sentence. I remain dubious about her motives. Its synonym is skeptical. Look at our next word, covert. Friends, covert means concealed. Its Hindi meaning is gupt. Now look at its sentence. The army carried out covert surveillance of the building for several months. Its synonym is hidden. The next word is pretentious. Pretentious means showy. Its Hindi meaning is दिखावा करने वाला. Now look at its sentence. It sounds a bit pretentious. Its synonym is pompous. Look at our next word, ubiquitous. Ubiquitous means present everywhere. Its Hindi meaning is sarvatra vidyaman. Now look at its sentence. Computers are becoming increasingly ubiquitous. Its synonym is omnipresent. Moving to our next word, cynosure. Cynosure means a person or thing that is center of attention or admiration. Its Hindi meaning is akarshan ka kendra. Now look at its sentence. Riya was the cynosure of all eyes. Its synonym is focus. Moving to our next word, bruisers. Bruisers means a person who is aggressive and enjoys a fight. Now look at its sentence. He is an ugly bruiser. Its synonym is bully boy. Look at our next word, walloping. Friends, walloping means beating. Its Hindi meaning is marpeet. Now look at its sentence. My father used to wallop me if I told lies. Its synonym is thrash. Last but not least is hunk. Friends, hunk means a large piece. Its Hindi meaning is bada tukda. Now look at its sentence. Jack cut off a hunk of meat and handed it to Rivan. Its synonym is chunk. Now it's time for the question of the day. What is the synonym of hatred? A. Hoax, B. Hunk, C. Grudge, D. Covert. Give me answer of this question in comment box.